Okay, so in the morning my skincare routine tends to be just either Dermalogica products or ESPA products. I was recently gifted like quite a few products from Dermalogica and ESPA, so yeah, that's kind of why I've started using them, but they are amazing products. ESPA literally feels like you are getting a beauty treatment from like a salon or something, or spa. That's what I meant, not salon. So yeah, so my morning routine, I tend to just use one cleanser. So I usually go in with a special cleansing gel. At night time I'll double cleanse. First I'll wet my face. Just literally just get it a little bit wet. So yeah, at night time I will tend to double cleanse and I'll use the pre-cleanse, which is really, really good. That literally will get your makeup off like straight away. But once you double cleanse, you can see that more comes off. So just get it all foamy in my hands and then start rubbing. It's quite nice to just give yourself a little bit of a massage in the morning. I don't do this all the time. This is mainly like my Sunday skincare. So on a day-to-day basis I'll just use like a pre-cleanser and then a moisturiser. So that's all rubbed in. You just get a bit of water again. And then wash it off. So I always use a dabbing technique when I'm drying my face. I just think it will create like fine lines and wrinkles when you're kind of like rubbing it across your face. Okay, so the next thing is a daily microfoliant. Again, I don't use this every day. This is like Sunday skincare. So it comes out quite like a powder and you just add water. So this, I love using this. It kind of makes my skin feel like squeaky clean after. So you definitely need like some sort of moisturiser once you've used this. And this is literally just like an exfoliant on the skin. So get rid of all that dead skin. And with this microfilian, I don't tend to go as close to the eyes as a cleanser, just because under the eye it's very sensitive, like the skin is really quite thin, so I don't really want to go too. That exfoliant within this is really quite fine, it's not rough, so don't worry if you do get under your eye, it's not like the end of the world, but I just choose not to. And again, then we'll just wash that off. I like to use warm water and then I'll go in with like a cold water just to close all my pores. It's so fresh. And also, as you can see, like the towel is still white. That just goes to show that like my skincare at night really does take off your makeup, which is what you want. Like you don't want to be sleeping in your makeup. I've done that for many years. I think we've all been there. Sometimes I can't help but do it. If I'm really tired, I'll just use a face wipe to get my makeup off. But yeah, I try my hardest to take it off at night. And then, so now I've done this, obviously my skin feels so clean, but to the point where it does feel quite dry. And I always find that with when I use like cleansers and things like that. So definitely need to now get some moisture in there. So I'm going to use, I got this one gifted to me last week. It's the Optimal Skin Pro-Serum from ESPA. I've used some of it, and literally that will last you a lifetime. You only need like the one drop. You just push it like that. Twist it off. And it's a little pipette, and just one pump. Again, massage it in. Nice little pamper for yourself. And also, again with the line situation, I always, once I've like massaged it in, I always go upwards. I'm not no skin beauty guru, but I know that if you pull your skin down all the time, that's obviously going to cause a lot of like wrinkles. So there we go. Feeling good. So I've got loads of other products here that I could use. At night time I use the lip treatment from Dermalogica. It's the nightly lip treatment. That's really good. That's again for like lines around the mouth area and also for your lips. I could use the Skin Perfect primer, again from Dermalogica. It's got SPF 30 in it as well. I'm not going to use that yet. This is actually really handy. It's this came with this, and you just put it on the end, and when the product starts running out, you just squeeze it down. It's really handy. I'm going to let this serum settle into the skin. I think I'm probably going to make another coffee, and then I will put the rest of my products on. So the next step, now that my serum is nicely settled in, is a eye serum from Dermalogica. Just need like literally one little smaller than a pea-sized drop, and just dab that under the eyes. It's like a brightening serum. This is what I need because my under eyes can tend to be quite dark. I don't necessarily get bags all the time because I have enough sleep, but I think it's just like a hereditary thing, I guess, I don't know, but that's helping a lot. So I always make sure I put that on. And also, I don't know if any of you have heard this before, but castor oil is really good for like hair growth, so I always use that on my eyebrows, and I've started rubbing it on my lashes too, because I have quite sparse areas in my brows, which is annoying. I definitely want to one day get the microfoliant, but I'm scared of needles. So yeah, I don't know if any of you know this, but I don't have my ears pierced or anything. I know quite a lot of people say like, what? That is crazy. But yeah, that's because I'm scared of needles. And as much as people say it doesn't hurt, it will hurt for me. And I'll end up walking out with just one, just getting one ear done. So that's that. And then to top it off, it's just a lip balm. So any lip balm. This one is just a Biolumin-c lip balm. So I don't know if I got that right, but it's just a shea butter. Really moisturising, and yeah, it just like softens the lips. Sometimes I'll go in with a lip scrub as well, but today I just feel like just simple, easy skincare, and yeah. Sundays can either go one or two ways with me. I'm either sitting on the sofa, chilling all day, watching movies back to back, or I can be extremely productive by making sure that the house is clean and that all of my to-do list has been ticked. Today was one of those productive days. So this has been one of the jobs on my list to do for a while now, and I decided today was the day and just to get the job done. Now that the frames are finally up, I decided to rearrange the room slightly by putting a side table in the corner of the room, along with dry flowers, a candle and a jewellery dish. I then opted for a couple more cushions on top of the ones that I currently sleep on. Then these cushions are all from H&M Home. I really hope you liked this video. Please feel free to subscribe, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!